equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the charging port on your MSI MS-1583 laptop, along with some essential maintenance tips to keep your device running smoothly. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a clean microfiber cloth for internal cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement charging port compatible with the MSI MS-1583 model. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel of the laptop. Keep the screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the charging port. It is usually situated near the power input area. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the internal area with the microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting performance. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess the situation. Using the plastic spudger, gently disconnect the old charging port from the motherboard. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you encounter any stubborn connections, use the tweezers for better grip. Once the old port is removed, take your new charging port and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure it is securely attached. This is a critical step, as a loose connection can lead to further issues. After the new port is in place, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Replace the back panel and screw it back in securely. Remember to reinsert the battery if you removed it earlier. Before you power on your laptop, double-check all connections and ensure everything is in its rightful place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Now, power on your laptop and test the new charging port. If it works correctly, congratulations! You've successfully changed the charging port on your MSI MS-1583. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. Regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your laptop. Consider cleaning the internal components every few months and checking for any loose connections. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent future issues. Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope it has been helpful in guiding you through the process of changing your charging port and performing essential maintenance on your MSI MS-1583. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.